We continue our knowledge sharing mission through a series of interviews with executive leaders from all over the world, and we're thrilled to have Dickenson with us today.
Hi, I'm Dickenson Africa. So I'm currently working at the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as one of the Deputy Chief Risk and Compliance Officer in our Risk and Compliance Office. I've been working for the Central Bank for the past 20 years, and I've been focusing on governance, risk management, compliance, business continuity management, and information security. So that's part of the role of our office. So prior to that, I worked as a bank examiner, focusing on audits, bank examinations, compliance reviews, particularly focusing on the safety and soundness of the financial institutions supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So a huge chunk of my career is really into governance, controls, and audit.
Could you give us a one-sentence description of your company?
The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is, of course, the Philippine Central Monetary Authority, which leads the formulation of monetary policies conducive to a balanced and sustainable economy of the country.
Could you describe the role of a Deputy Chief Risk Compliance Officer in one word and why?
One word, governance. Why? Because part of our role is to aid top management in ensuring that the central bank is able to timely identify and assess risks, at the same time manage its resiliency through business continuity initiatives, and effectively implement information security and able to comply with various obligations that will affect the operations of a central bank as an institution.
What current challenges are Deputy Chief Risk and Compliance Officers facing right now? And can you identify a solution for that?
One of the usual challenges is to mature a program because we are practically implementing a set of management systems. So the challenge there is how to continuously improve and how to mature the program such that we achieve a high level of maturity and practice that will be considered something worth emulating by the other institutions. And the solution there is, of course, the constant evolution. We constantly improve our practices. We benchmark with other central banks. We align ourselves with leading practices in international standards. We continuously learn within and outside the institution. That's how we address the challenge of continuously evolving and maturing the management systems that we are implementing.
How do you explain the success you've had in your career?
I think it's really continuous learning. I think that's one of the things that I could say that allowed me to reach this far, to be one of the Deputy Chief Risk and Compliance Officers of the BSP. Continuous learning and the ability to network with other individuals that will allow me to broaden my horizon and as well as share my knowledge to my peers and to my team. So that helps the institution in achieving our goals in providing management advices related to our practice.
What marketing or business trends are you taking advantage of right now?
I think most companies now are into business transformation, are into digital transformation. So I think these are the trends that we need to focus on over the next couple of years. And as we know, the pandemic has accelerated most companies' digital transformation. So I think this is the way to go for most companies, even the government like the BSP. So we are on our way of recalibrating our processes to make sure that we are future ready. And I think that will allow us to be more effective in fulfilling our role to the public.
What career advice would you like to share with Deputy Chief Risk and Compliance Officers?
My only advice is to continuously learn, at the same time network with like-minded professionals so that our knowledge will not be limited to the industry that we are working on, and be collaborative in such a way that, of course, for us to thrive, we need to partner with several parties. We need to partner with our peers and even other organizations. So I think in as far as advices are concerned, those are some of my key takeaways for fellow professionals like me.
Right, I think this brings us to a close. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and I'm looking forward to our next catch-up. Thank you, Dickenson.
Sure. Thank you. My pleasure.